Gentlemen, for the very first time, allow me to introduce our newlywed couple. Okay, so now you know the game. Are you ready? So pay attention.
You need to shout, I love my wife 3 times, sir.
I love my wife!
3 times, sir.
I love my wife!
One more, sir.
I love my wife!
Sir.
Sir, you cannot pass the traditional crossword by CIMU unless you hide under the saya of your wife and shout the word, hindi ako under ng asawa ko, sir!
Hindi ako under ng asawa ko!
Sir, lover, sir!
Hindi ako under ng asawa ko!
You cannot pass the traditional crossword of Criminology and Crime Management Unit unless you can survive 55 seconds, sir.
Countdown. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Louder, please. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Haba?
Traditional crossword by Criminology and Management Unit unless carry your wife who are performing 5 level third. Sir.
Kakayanin kaya?
One, sir. Two, sir.
3,
Sir.
4,
Sir.
5.
And then number 4. Then push up your wife at your back and third left side. And then
Everybody, 10 push-ups. One.
Set. 4 set.
Kaya pa to? Kaya pa. Heto ang panghuli. Well, your groomsmen and your bridesmaids. Isang budots, maestro. Your moves. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, bridesmaids and groomsmen, you may take